Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to install the different libraries for Python 3 and Ubuntu. To install the library, let's start. First of all, open the Ubuntu, then search for the terminal. Open the terminal. Before the installation of different libraries, make sure that the Python 3 is installed to check that whether it is installed or not. I type the command Python 3 as I install the version 3, so I type the Python 3, enter. So we are in the Python. Let's see if it is running or not properly. I type some basic command. Now our Python is running. Okay, to install the libraries like NumPy, type the command sudo apt install python 3-numpy, type the password. Yes. Now the NumPy library for Python is installing. It is installed now. To install the SciencePy, type the command sudo apt install python 3-py. Yes. Now the SciPy is installing. I will speed up the process. Now the SciPy library is installing. Installation completed. Now to install the pandas library, type the command sudo apt install python 3-pandas. Yes. Now the pandas library is installing. Matplot library is also installing along with the pandas. Now our libraries has been installed successfully. To check that whether it is running or not, you will type some basic code to check for that. Before using the libraries, we have to import all these libraries in the Python. So open the Python. Suppose I want to import the matplot libraries in this Python. For this, type the command import matplotlib.pyplot as a pt. Now our matplot library has been imported in this Python. Here I will type some basic code to execute. For example, pt tech plot comma 3 comma 4. For example, it is a list. Let's suppose I'm giving the label. Some numbers. To show that, type the pt dat show command. So our basic graph has been displayed. So it means our libraries are working. Thanks for watching the video.